Hi, you guys. We're here. Step number one, my all-time fave. It's the 4-7-8 breath, and it's so easy. This is the one I use all the time. This really helps me calm down through the day and sleep really good at night. It's so easy, and it requires me to take like two letting go breaths, which is the inhale through my nose and the exhale through my mouth with a sound twice. Then I inhale through my nose for 4 seconds. I hold for 7 seconds, and then I exhale slowly through my mouth for 8 seconds with a. So it's inhale for 4 through your nose, hold for 7, and exhale through your mouth slowly with a 8 seconds. You're going to only do 4 rounds of that, okay? And then after you've done this every single night for about a week, then you can increase to maybe 5 or 6 rounds of this. And you can do this when you wake up in the middle of the night also. It's the hardest part is remembering to do it. And there's something about the number 7 that does once again, it's that physiology in our brain. All of our emotion is located in the back of our brain, which is our limbic system. When we do this breath, it releases that emotion and it goes to the top of our head, which is our cortex, our reasoning center, and it loses power over us. And then we're able to go to sleep. You can do this when you're feeling upset about something. It's just an amazing little tool, and it works like a charm. It's the 4-7-8 breath. So let's review of what we've learned so far. We learned the breathing technique where you're inhaling through your nose into your tummy like it's a little balloon, and exhaling through your nose, nice, slow, long exhales. Left hand on your heart, right hand on your tummy, and your jaw is relaxed. Do 6 to 12 of those. We learned the 3 R's. Recognize your thought, then release your thought, and then return back to what you're doing, or return to your thought and work it out. Write it down on a Post-it note. Get it from the inside out. Then we learned the breathing exercise where you center yourself and you inhale and gather all that mental energy, bring it to your third eye, and exhale and offer it to your heart center. About 4 of those, and gently gaze at the inside of your eyelids. And then we learned the 4-7-8 breath. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and then exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds. Only 4 rounds of that after you've done it for about a week, and then you can increase it. And you can do this when you wake up in the middle of the night also. And what happens is next thing you know, you do it, then you wake up 4 or 5 hours later, you're like, oh my God, I went back to sleep. It's wonderful. So you just were taught the first step to 6 steps to fearless change. And that is to manage the monkey mind, how to play the inner game. And then in 6 steps to fearless change, we continue to build on that, because where we're headed is so that at the end of the program that you are clear on where you're going for the second half of your life. You probably are thinking to yourself, well, why can't I do that by myself? Well, it's kind of like looking under the hood of a car and looking at the engine and then deciding that you can build a car without actually going to school to be a mechanic, right? We all need some help. And sometimes we're so stuck in our stuff and what we do that we can't see what other people can see. And this is where being in a program like this comes in and is really helpful in helping you get clarity and confidence. Because when you're clear, you're confident. And then the next half of your life begins to take shape. And you get to live out your dreams. And it's powerful and it's so, so fun. And you meet a lot of really interesting people that are supportive and are going on the very same journey that you're on. What we do is the first step is learning how to control your monkey mind, which I've just taught you all of that, and we review that and we build on that, okay? Because by the end of the program, that's going to be second nature to you. You're going to be using these all the time. Then we figure out who you really are. Are you an introvert? Are you an extrovert? Are you a speaker? Are you a writer? Are you an artist? Who are you? Then we figure out doing exercises, practical exercises. What is it? What is that gift down in there? I mean, you'll be surprised. I was totally surprised when I figured out what my gift was that I wanted to give. And then I had to come up with, which is the next step, why? What's going to make me want to get help and overcome my fears to move forward? What's my big why? The why that makes me cry before I think about it. And then how? What track was I going to run on? And I choose to run on the internet track. And that's been really a learning experience, but I chose that. And then we teach you, work out when. When are we going to implement this? When are you going to implement this? What's the plan of action? These are all the steps, the 6 steps to fearless change. And I'm so excited about that, about this program. And if you choose, you're thinking, well, I don't know. Well, I can tell you one thing. If you don't do it, what's going to happen for you is that you're going to be sitting in this very same place asking these same questions, trying to stuff down those creative juices, that creative fire again, and figure out what it is you want to do. It's so empowering when you're clear and the doors start opening up. It's invigorating and your life is full and it's fun and it's happy and you're healthy and you're invigorated and you feel like you're 30. I mean, it's a blast. And I'm fun. I like to have a lot of fun. And how are you going to, well, how does this program delivered? It's super easy. It's not complicated. You can do it anytime, anywhere. It's delivered over the internet. And there's 2 different times I'm offering this program, so you could take it one time or mix it up and take it the first part of it the first time, and then the second time it's delivered to you through a virtual teleseminar. And there's going to be Q&A, live questions and answers. And I have great bonuses that I'm offering. And one of the bonuses, which is a $397 value, is going to be that you're going to have all the transcripts and all the worksheets and the PDFs to do the program, so that you're going to actually have the notes and you get to do practical exercises, which is so profound. Once again, it's that whole writing and getting things from the inside out. And then what my very favorite is one person's going to get a scholarship, which is a $4,800 value, to work with me privately for 3 months, which is really, really exciting. And then I'm going to be giving you 2 videos that are yoga videos for any body. So if you want to move your body and you haven't been able to move your body and you're in pain, I'm going to be teaching you how to do yoga even on your bed, so that you can start to move your body in a safe way and start the juices running, and feel confident about, beginning to exercise again. And this is a $297 value. And then I have another one. Yes, the Fearless Weight Loss, which is a $497 value, where I'm going to actually give to you a weight loss program. And I'm going to coach you and encourage you along the way, so that you can feel better and feel healthy and have a healthy lifestyle. So there's a lot of things that I've packed into this. I'm also going to have a surprise for you that I'm not telling you, but it's going to be a wonderful surprise. And I'm really excited. And this is going to be a live seminar. So we're going to get on the internet or on the phone, and I'm going to be delivering this information to you, and then we're going to have Q&A, because I'm the kind of person that wants to connect with you. I've taken a lot of programs, and I really appreciate it when I'm able to talk to somebody. And so I'm going to make sure that you're able to connect with me, and I'm going to tell you how that whole thing goes. Plus, this is a risk-free program. So you're going to get a money-back guarantee when you sign up for this program. And how much is the program? You're like, okay, well, how much is it, Tammy? How much is it? Well, all the value that I've built into this program is over $5,000. And I'm giving this program away to the first 20 people for $497. And I'm really excited about that. So all you have to do is scroll down and fill out the information, and we're going to get started. And there's going to be a pre-recorded call for you to get busy and start working. So you're going to be ready for this program. All the dates and everything's lined out for you. It's totally risk-free. I want you to be successful. And I don't want you to feel like you're wasting your money, because that doesn't do anything for you, and it doesn't do anything for me. So you get to try this program for 30 days risk-free. And please tell your friends. It's really exciting. And I promise you, you'll be pleasantly pleased with your outcome. You know, there's a lot of times that we choose not to do things, and then what happens is when we have this burning desire in us that we keep trying to subdue the fire, we usually end up spending money, going shopping or buying clothes or buying food or eating, and trying to suppress that thing that might be a little scary because it's called taking care of ourselves. You know, and I see this happen all the time. Women and men spending thousands of dollars on things that just don't work because they're too complicated or they're not real and they're either too airy-fairy and esoteric or too clinical. And I'm a very real person. I am not perfect. Believe me, I am so not perfect. And I want to work with people who want that kind of connection and warmth and nurturing and want to have a real conversation and really get clear on where they want to go for the second half of their life and what they want to do. If you're excited about that, then please take a chance on you. Take a chance on me. There's a money back guarantee. Scroll down, fill out the information, and let's get started figuring out who you are, where you're going, and why, and what it's going to look like. I'm super excited to meet you, and I'm so glad you've been on this training series with me. And I look forward to our future together. 6 Steps to Fearless Change. I'm super excited. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.